story, okay? The fox and the crow. Once a hungry crow got a piece of bread. She flew with it to a tree. She was about to eat the bread. Soon a fox came there. He wanted to get that piece of bread. The cunning fox said, "Oh, my dear crow, how beautiful you are. Surely you have a sweet voice. Can you please sing a song for me?" The crow felt proud on hearing this. She opened her mouth to sing. Lo, the piece of bread fell down. The fox picked it up. He laughed at the crow and walked away.
With folded hands, I request our Chief Education Officer Pudukkottai to give the prizes. A. Susila, 11th F. A. Kamachi, 11th F. S. Arul Anthony, 11B2. K.R. Shaktivel, 11B2. S. Selvamurugan, 11B2. V. Balakrishnan, 11th E. R. Selvakumar, 11th E. A. Periyasamy, 11th A. A. Mukesh Kannan, 11th E. A. Arul Alex, 11B2. M. Periyakaruppan, 7th C. M. Nandakumar, 7th C. P. Pavitra, 11th B2. T. Kausalya, 11th B2. M. Muthu Madhuvita, 7th A.
Hello. Yes, Valarmadi. Rahul 7th A. Manigandan 7th A. Alagar 7th A. Veeramanikam 7th A. Yuvaraj Manigandan 7th A. Anwar Raja 7th A. Vinod 7th A. Kavinraj 7th A. Santosh 7th B. Sellapandi 7th B. Manigandan 7th C. Surya 7th A. Sakti Saravanan 8th A. Uday Bhaskar 8th A. Karthikeyan 6th A. Subburaman 8th A. Hitesh Kumar 6th A. Karthikeyan 6th A. Aarti 6th A. Sivaranjani 6th A. Students, can I clap? Sivaranjani 6th A, Prabhakaran 6th A, Yakub Stalin 6th B, Lavanya 9th A, Renugastri 9th A, Anita 9th A, Priya 9th A, Balasubramanian 9th C, Anand 9th A, Vignesh 9th C, Manigandan 9th C, Balasubramanian 8th B, Pathasarathi 9th C, Fayaz 9th A, Krishnamurthy 9th A, Sridhar 9th C, Sendil Kumar 90A, Kumaresan 90B, Surya 90B, Manigandan 90C, Sevugaraja 11B2, Chellaya 90B, Arumugam.
Thank you. I request our CEO to release the magazine titled Student Path. Our HM to honor CEO. Students, please clap. I request our CEO to address us.
Hello. Now I request Professor Gurumurthy to address for a few minutes.
All of you, good evening. Say with loud voice, say good evening. Thank you, my dear students. First of all, it's a great pleasure to meet you all in this colorful occasion. And before that, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to our chairman of MNSK College of Engineering and Management, simply given their approval to participate in this Literary Club Fest 2015. And we are also indebted to our CEO, Dr. Arumurugan. I have known him very well, but I am waiting for an opportunity to have a close relationship with him. Only the teaching profession is the strongest profession and grateful profession in this world, where the tomorrow's generation will always remember about you, who you are, where you are, how you are. There is no such satisfaction from other profession. I can challenge for you. So I salute to Mr. Anthony. Yes, once again I salute. Please create a very good clap next to you. Because thank you once again. Wish you all the best in your career. Simultaneously, I thank you once again, Mr. Anthony, as well as the superior people, those who are getting the very good passion to hear my speech. I am also waiting for one more opportunity from you. Every time I will be here and I will be with you. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Tirukeswaran, PGT English, Government Higher Secondary School, Mandayur, to sing a song and give address.
The most respected and honorable CEO of Pudukkottai and the respected District Educational Officer in charge
Aranangi, who are presiding over this function, and the special guest from Tanjavur, Chief Educational Officer, the most respected Chief Educational Officer, and who has given a wonderful and mind-blowing address in front of you. Each and every word, each and every sentence, at the end of every sentence, he has got wonderful claps from you. And most respected Mr. Gurumurthy sir, placement officer from MNSK College. And I take this opportunity, I am privileged to give this address. The time constraint has been given, 3 minutes have been allotted, and I would like to register 2 things in front of you. He said success, success, success. You all have to be successful people. You are very confident, but one thing is lacking, and I would like to say one simple story, and from that story we just understand how we have to be here to be a successful people. You know, a popular story, there is a running competition between a hare and tortoise. Have you heard of this? முயலுக்கும் ஆமைக்கும் இடையில ஒரு running competition போகும். 2 things are very, very important for a successful person. One is confidence, another one is consistency.
went to China witnessed it. The Chinese employed British ladies to teach English to their students. They feel they lack in English. They could not compete with the Indians because of this. But the Chinese will compete Indians very soon, she said. So, English is need of this hour. Our technical, managerial and medical students were employed all over the world to compete for global opportunities. We need spoken English. To speak English, one should study its shyness. You must be made up your mind first to speak only in English. Be bold. Don't bother about anybody. Enrich vocabulary. Then the English is yours. To achieve 10% research, nice studies are conducted in our school for backward students. Lot of study materials are given to you by our Chief Educational Officer. Various steps are taken by us to improve our pass percentage and facilities are provided to you. In this occasion, I request both 10th and 12th standard students to give send-them result in the forthcoming public examination. Work hard, learn properly, face the examination with confidence, then only you can achieve the goal. I am very happy to announce in this moment that our school annual day and sports day celebrations will be held on 11th February. That is next Wednesday. I appeal all to make it grand success. My sincere thanks to Mr. Anthony for his dedicated service to English Literary Club. He must be appreciated by fellow teachers and students. He set a model to all. In this movement, our MNSK institution come forward to adopt our school. For this, we thank one and all for them. The management, staff and the principal, all are thankful to us. Once again, I thank the CEO on behalf of our teachers, students and employees. Thank you very much to all.
I request Sir HM to honor AHM. I request our AHM to honor Gurumurthy sir. I request Surendran sir to honor Tirukeswaran. Request our English ma'am Suganya to honor Parimalam. Next, I request Mr. Hariharan to honor Saravanan maths teacher from Kaveri Nagar.